Hope restored. Does the sun rise in the east? Is the sky blue? Is the ocean salty? Is the atomic weight of cobalt 58.9? Okay, that last one you might only know if you're a science geek or tend to dabble in trivia. But the other questions have an obvious answer. Yes, questions like this are usually mixed with a hint of sarcasm. If we're not careful, our modern sometimes jaded ears can hear a bit of sarcasm in Jesus' questions to an invalid. Do you want to get well? And the obvious answer would seem to be, are you kidding me? I've been wanting help for 38 years, but there's no sarcasm present. That's the farthest thing from the truth. Jesus' voice is always filled with compassion, and his questions are always posed for our good. Jesus knew the man wanted to get well. He also knew it had probably been a long time since anyone had made an offer to care. Before the divine miracle, Jesus' intent was to restore in him a hope that had grown old. He did this by asking a rather obvious question and then giving ways to respond. Get up, pick up your mat and walk. We're like the invalid. Each of us with places in our lives where hope has withered. He sees us and compassionately invites us to believe in hope again, to believe in Him. Now the question is, in what ways has your hope grown cold? How has Jesus revealed this passion to you? Jesus, there are places in my life where hope has grown weak and cold, or even dead. You know this. You also know I want to hope again. I truly do. Restore to me the joy of hope, a hope born by trusting you. In John chapter 5, verse 1 to 8, when Jesus saw him lying there, he asked him, "Do you want to get well?" That is our today's reading. Hope restored by our daily bread.